Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into the futuristic and insanely powerful 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. Tesla's flagship sedan continues to set the benchmark in the electric vehicle world, and the 2025 version brings subtle refinements while retaining the jaw-dropping performance and high-tech features that define this iconic EV. The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid is all about speed, technology, and luxury. Under the hood, well, under the floor, to be exact, it still features the tri-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers mind-blowing acceleration. With a combined output of over 1,020 horsepower, the Plaid rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the planet. This kind of performance is not just impressive for an EV but is unmatched even by most supercars. The top speed is equally staggering, clocking in at around 200 miles per hour. Yet, it's not just a straight-line monster. Thanks to its low center of gravity, advanced traction control system, and adaptive air suspension, the Model S Plaid handles twisty roads with sports car-like precision while still offering the comfort of a premium sedan. In terms of range, the 2025 Model S Plaid delivers an impressive estimated 390 miles on a single charge. Tesla's efficient battery management system and continuous software updates help maximize this range without compromising performance. Charging is also incredibly convenient, thanks to the vast supercharger network and compatibility with newer, faster charging standards. You can get up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a V3 supercharger station. Step inside the Model S Plaid and you're greeted by a futuristic and minimalist cabin. The controversial but innovative yoke-style steering continues to be standard, and the 17-inch central touchscreen dominates the dashboard. This high-resolution display handles everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. The UI is responsive, and Tesla's software remains one of the best in the industry, constantly receiving over-the-air updates that improve functionality and even add new features. Passengers in the rear are not left out either, with an additional display mounted at the back of the center console for media control and gaming. Yes, you heard that right, gaming. The Model S Plaid features a gaming computer capable of running high-end titles, offering a unique in-car entertainment experience. With support for wireless controllers and apps like Netflix and YouTube, road trips become something to look forward to. Comfort is a key part of the experience. The cabin is lined with premium materials, including optional carbon fiber or wood trim, ventilated and heated seats, and a panoramic glass roof that offers a spacious, airy feel. The seats are well contoured and supportive, even for long drives. There's plenty of legroom and headroom, both in the front and rear, making it a proper luxury cruiser as well as a high-performance machine. Another area where Tesla continues to lead is in driver assistance technology. The 2025 Model S Plaid comes with the latest version of Tesla's full self-driving FSD suite. While it still requires driver supervision, FSD can handle tasks like navigating on highways, automatic lane changes, and parking. Tesla is constantly refining these features through software updates, and the system gets smarter over time. The car's suite of sensors, cameras, and onboard AI makes driving safer and more convenient than ever. Exterior design remains largely unchanged from previous years, but the 2025 model brings subtle refinements. The sleek, low-slung profile, aerodynamic lines, and flush door handles give the Model S a modern and elegant appearance. The Plaid variant includes unique badging, 21-inch arachnid wheels, and optional carbon fiber spoilers that emphasize its performance credentials. LED lighting all around ensures excellent visibility and a distinctive nighttime signature. One of the lesser talked about features is the storage space. The Model S offers both a front trunk and a spacious rear trunk, making it surprisingly practical for an ultra-fast EV. The rear seats can be folded flat to expand cargo capacity, which is great for families or anyone who needs space for gear. Tesla's emphasis on sustainability is another reason to admire the Model S Plaid. With zero tailpipe emissions and the use of eco-conscious materials in the cabin, it aligns perfectly with the goals of modern environmentally responsible driving. Pricing for the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid starts around $90,000, depending on options and location. While it's certainly not cheap, it delivers a level of performance and innovation that justifies the cost. It competes with high-end sports sedans and luxury EVs, yet few can match its blend of range, tech, and raw speed. In summary, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid is a stunning piece of automotive engineering. It blends incredible acceleration with daily usability, luxurious features, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone looking for a premium electric sedan that does it all, the Model S Plaid stands as a compelling choice. Thanks for watching and staying with us on Autocars Land. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and updates from the world of cars. I'll see you in the next video.